having an issue. The house just stays hot, and at this point, I do not believe they have central heating and air. So we're going to do everything we can to see if we can potentially give her a little bit of relief and add some insulation, potentially a radiant barrier, and just make this old home more efficient. But it looks like it's in a really nice neighborhood. It looks like, I know what you're saying, it's Compton. Hey, beautiful areas in Compton. But hopefully this home we can make more efficient. That way it gives this older lady a little bit of relief when the summer comes.